Are you ready for the next revolution in smartphones? We're just months away from the launch of the iPhone 16 Pro Max, and we can't wait to dive into the exciting features and upgrades that Apple has in store for us. From AI-driven capabilities to enhanced camera features, we'll cover it all in this video. So let's get started. The iPhone 15 Pro Max has set the bar high as the top-tier iPhone available, offering unparalleled performance and features. But with the upcoming iPhone 16 Pro Max, Apple is taking it to the next level. With the teaser of iOS 18 at WWDC 2024, we've got a glimpse into the future of smartphones. Get ready for a device that's packed with AI-driven functionalities and access to Apple Intelligence like never before. So, what can we expect from the iPhone 16 Pro Max? For starters, the camera features are getting a significant upgrade. With a new 48-megapixel primary camera and a 12-megapixel ultrawide lens, you'll be able to capture life's moments like never before. And with the introduction of a 5x telephoto lens, you'll be able to zoom in on the action like a pro. But that's not all. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is also rumored to feature a new action button, allowing you to access your favorite features with just a click. And with enhanced customization options for the lock screen and control center, you'll be able to personalize your device like never before. Apple's next-gen iPhone 16 Pro Max is shaping up to be a game-changer. With rumors of a larger display, an additional button, and improved optical zoom capabilities, this device could be the biggest upgrade yet. But what else can we expect from Apple's latest flagship? Recently, tipster Majin Bui leaked a poster for the iPhone 16 launch event, revealing a special gathering at the Steve Jobs Theater in Apple Park on September 10th at 10 a.m. Pacific Time. But that's not all. The poster also hints at 4 new iPhones and additional hardware. What could this mean for Apple fans? The phrase "Ready, Set, Capture" is prominently displayed on the poster, suggesting a major focus on camera capabilities. With improved optical zoom and potentially new features like 3D modeling, the iPhone 16 Pro Max could be a photographer's dream come true. First up, let's talk about the action button. This feature has been leaked multiple times and confirmed by German, indicating that all 4 iPhone 16 variants will have this customizable hardware key. But what does this mean for users? Will it be a game changer or just a minor addition? With iOS 18, Apple is enhancing customization options for the lock screen and control center. But will this make the action button less essential? We'll explore the pros and cons of having shortcuts accessible via a physical button versus navigating through the lock screen or control center. Now let's talk cameras. The standard iPhone 16 and Plus models will keep the dual camera setup, but with a twist. The camera arrangement has shifted back to a vertical alignment, and the ultrawide lens is getting an upgrade with a wider f/2.2 aperture. Plus, macro photography capabilities are coming to the standard models.